You sell machines with serviceable parts, but your parts catalogs are PDFs or printed books. Wouldn't you rather have an interactive spare parts catalog like this? You can put it online and your customers or service engineers can order parts simply by clicking the part and setting the order quantity. And after checking their shopping basket, they just have to enter their name, company name and email address, and they can email their order to you 24/7. Well, now this is within your reach and it's easy as well. Let me show you how we convert an old catalog to an interactive one. There are several ways of importing data into Parts Catalog Generator, but let's suppose you delivered a machine to a customer ages ago and you only have a printed parts catalog. First you scan all of the drawings to PDF, then you generate a parts list in Excel or CSV or TXT, and then you import everything into Parts Catalog Generator where the parts information is linked to the drawings. We start with importing a drawing in PDF format. With the drawing selected, we then import a parts list, of which the contents are displayed. The next step is to map the information from the parts list to the drawing. For instance, here we need to map the quantity field to the column amount. And as we want to use all of the available languages in our online catalog, we set the description field to translatable and map the various columns to the appropriate languages. In the next step, we will tell the software what to look for in the drawing. We open up a preview of the drawing and we point out to PCG what the position numbers look like. Once PCG has correctly identified the character, we can close the preview and maybe set some other options that may help to optimize the identification process, like pointing out that in this case all of the position numbers are enclosed in circles. Then we start the actual analysis. When that is done, we can check the results of the identification process, and when we're satisfied that every part has been mapped successfully, we can proceed to the last step and publish the online catalog. In a nutshell, this is how it works. Of course, there's plenty more to tell about working with structured parts lists or mechanical trees, but we will demonstrate that in other demos you can find on our website partscataloggenerator.com. So, would you like to boost your spare parts sales, simplify your ordering process, provide correct and accessible parts information and reduce erroneous deliveries of parts to zero? Why don't you try Parts Catalog Generator? It's simple and effective.